Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BAS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a big move. Nobody can disagree with that. Everybody would agree, yeah, it made a pretty big move. And essentially, I'm guessing some sort of news came out because early portion of the day, there was really no volume at all going on. And then all of a sudden, the volume showed up in the afternoon and the price reacted with it. So yeah, like I said, everybody would agree, good solid day. But is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that level is right here at the 45-cent mark. Why is 45 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward, not go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 45 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back inside of this channel where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, not saying it will, but let's just pretend, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. So to me, 45 cents, definitely that must-hold level. Ideally, meaning Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? If the price can stay up above 50 cents, that would be the ideal level of support. But by no means am I saying if the price drops below 50 cents that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. What about areas of resistance? Let's talk about a couple of these. First level is just the fun level. I like to call, this one the fun one because, yeah, I'll be the first to admit it is fun to talk about, testing previous highs and then trying to break to new highs. So that's where 63 cents comes into play. But in many situations, there's a first bridge that needs to be crossed before you start talking about, the quote-unquote fun level of resistance. And in this case, that first bridge, I'm going to consider right here at 58 cents. So, yes, 63 cents is a level of resistance. But before you start talking about that one, bulls need to first prove themselves and get back up above 58 cents. So all in all, very nice day. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the most common questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.